In this brief video, Chief Engineer Mark Reyes presents some of the important factors when considering business IT solutions.
Hello, my name is Mark, and today I'd like to briefly show you the significant benefit of using existing Microsoft Office applications that you already have as part of your business process. I've had several businesses come to me and say, look, Mark, we'd like to have you guide us in how we can improve our business process and build efficiency and reduce manual tasks, labor-intensive tasks. And the first thing they start to talk about is buying new software. And my recommendation is actually the opposite. Instead of creating new software, new process, new maintenance and support requirements for your business, consider expanding the use and the role of Microsoft Office tools within your business. Your staff are already familiar with things like Excel. So in this case, for example, somebody has to type in an account name in Excel. That gets to be a little bit tedious. Not only is it tedious, but it's also a data integrity issue because it's not guaranteed that all your staff are going to type the same name for an account type and such. Okay, so instead we solve this problem by creating a simple search for account button on the Excel form, writing a bunch of code in the background that brings up automatically a pop-up window where your staff can search for an account type. In this case, instead of having to know the full account name or even waste their time typing it, they'll type the first few letters of an account name, click search, and there it is. Double click on it, and it inserts automatically. Now you've solved two things. One, you've actually simplified the process by which someone can remember and properly type an account name, especially if it's fairly long. And second, you've also solved the data integrity problem between staff members who may not type the same information into an Excel spreadsheet. Very similarly, we offer a little button here that's called Calendar Tool. Your staff may not know which is the last day of the week, what's the week ending date, which week was it. So this Calendar Tool pops up, and right there, double click it, puts in the right date, and that right date is now part of the spreadsheet. Hence, they can focus on the raw data that can't be contextually automated, and they can type that in, and you've got a very quick, very thorough way to solve manually intensive data entry. More importantly, when we leave with this solution, we've left the business with a very easy way to update their account types or rename them because it's all part of the spreadsheet. They simply go into another sheet and retype or change the names of the account types that they're using. So again, the benefit of using your existing Microsoft Office tools and expanding them by adding macros and Visual Basic Code is that you keep the same business process, your staff retain the knowledge of the same software, and you improve things incrementally for your specific business context. And that's where this is a great advantage over going out and buying yet another piece of software that you have to maintain and support. My hope is that this brief video has shown you the power that you have already within Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and other Office products when using the macros and Visual Basic Code behind those front pages. Thank you very much. I hope this has been helpful.